So guys, I have been making quite a lot of videos on this particular smartphone. This is Samsung Galaxy M20. As per me, this is one of the best budget smartphone that you can purchase from Samsung right now. And a lot of people are purchasing it, and as my channel's themes goes on, that I make a lot of tips and tricks videos on the channel, and those are pretty popular videos. So that's why I think why not make a tips and tricks video of this particular smartphone. So in this video, I'm going to give you 20 plus tips, tricks and hidden features of this Samsung Galaxy M20. So hey, what's up guys, my name is Zahir and let's begin. So guys, before starting this video, if you wanna be my friend or just wanted to see behind the scene of this particular channel, just go ahead and follow me on Instagram. The handle is TechBuffet. With that said, let's start. So first of all guys, let me tell you that a small disclaimer over here. I'm going to tell you a lot of amazing tips and tricks and hidden features of this particular smartphone, which include some basic things too. With that said, let's begin. So first of all, let's start with some obvious features that Samsung provides. First of all, go to advanced and go to games. Then we found this game launcher option over here. All of the game that you have installed in your smartphone will be available here. Also, it has a lot of cool features. It can hide the notification and you can also record the video. It can also boost the performance of your smartphone. So yeah, it's kind of neat feature to have, and it's built into Samsung smartphone, so you can use this feature. Then after that, so we have one hand mode over here to just enable this. Basically what it does it, and if you want to use your smartphone in one hand, just you have a gesture option then button option to enable that one hand mode. So like if I want to use it with gesture, just swipe up from the bottom right or bottom left to the bottom right. You see this kind of gesture you have to do to enable or get into the one hand mode, and as you see, it's kind of cool. You can use your smartphone. It basically becomes very accessible for small handed people. And then you have button 2. Basically with this button you can enable the one hand mode by triple pressing on the home button. As you see, it's very nice. Then after that we have fingerprint gesture. Enable it, it's very nice. After enabling this fingerprint gesture option, when you slide down your finger on the fingerprint scanner, the notification shades come down. That's very nice. Then we have multi-window option over here. You have to enable these features. So basically if you enable this feature, when you long press this recent menu, you get this multitasking option over here, and we have pop-up action over here. If you want to use this setting as a pop-up, then you can just swipe down like this and you can use this setting over here in this pop-up type of situation. So yeah, that's a nice feature. Then after that we have direct call option. When you are on some contact number, and if you want to call that particular contact, just bring your smartphone to the ear and it will make the contact, or basically it will dial the number automatically. Then we have smart alert. It's kind of a very neat feature. Let's say if your smartphone is on the table and you got a missed call or message alert and you missed it, then after some time when you lift your smartphone from the table, it gently vibrates and it will let you know that you had a missed call or some alert. So yeah, it's a handy feature in my opinion. And then we have easy mute option. Basically it's a flip to mute. When you get a call or something like that, just flip your smartphone and it will mute the phones, basically mute the call. And then we have chat over video. Like it's a very neat feature if you're watching videos on YouTube or whatever video platform that you use. If you're watching videos and you got message or WhatsApp message, then you can basically do the chatting from that particular messaging application without leaving the YouTube or any other video platform application, because you will get a pop-up type of thing like the messenger you have, so you can easily reply while watching the video. So that's very kind of neat feature. Then you have dual messenger. Basically with this application you can use 2 instances of same application. Basically you can use 2 Facebook IDs, 2 WhatsApp numbers and 2 messengers. So yeah. Then after that we have panic mode over here. When you are in some panic situation or emergency situation and you want to contact the emergency numbers, just press this button, basically power button, thrice, and it will contact 112. So yeah, and you can also set some preset SOS SMS to send someone where they can reach out to you. Go to sound and vibration, then you will find sound quality and effects. In this sound quality and effects you have Dolby Atmos, so yeah, it does support Dolby Atmos. And you have equalizer, basically you can choose whatever preset you like, or you can change it from here. We have advanced, so you can also tweak it, a lot of things over here. And then you have adapt sound. With the help of this you can basically adapt the sound profile of this smartphone according to your age. After that we have device maintenance over here. Optimize now, it will basically scan your device for viruses and all those things. And yeah, it's very nice feature. Then we have storage, memory cleaner, RAM cleaner, all those good things. Then move to the display. In here you have this font and zoom screen option. You can change the screen size, then you can change the font size too from here, and you can change the font style too. I want some other fonts that I can download it from here, so that's very nice. Then after that you have full screen option. From here you can hide this notch. The notch is hidden even though it has LTPS display. The blacks are not that deep, but even after that it looks kind of weird because of this straight up line, because the corners on the bottom is rounded and on the top it's not. So yeah, it feels kind of weird. But if you want to hide a notch, if you hate the notch, then you can hide it basically. Then also you can change the frames of the icons. Like if you want icons only or icons with frames, you can do that from here. Then you have status bar option. You can enable the battery percentage from here. Then we have this navigation bar option. From here you can enable the full screen gesture. Basically if you want a full screen gesture like this, then you can enable it. With this it will go back. With this you get the recent menu. It's a home button, I guess. So yeah, you can use them. Then you have secure lock setting over here. In that you have this auto factory reset. So it's kind of a very extreme lock setting over here. If you want to enable it, please do it on your own risk. Basically with after enabling this, if you enter the password incorrectly 15 times, it will factory reset your smartphone. That's kind of horrible situation, but yeah, if you are very conscious about your security, then you can do enable that thing. Then you have lock screen stories. It's very nice. Just enable this, guys. Basically with this lock screen stories, as you see, we have different wallpaper now. When I turn off the display and turn it on again, I have the different wallpaper. Every time when I turn on the display, I will get some new wallpapers. So with that particular setting, I am getting that. So it's a very nice feature. You can definitely use it and refresh your particular smartphone. It's nice. Then we have clock style. You can change the clock style which you see over here on the lock screen. So you can choose whatever you like for example this one. So as you see, I got this clock style over here, so it's nice. Then now guys, let me show you one of the best setting of this smartphone. Basically press and hold any empty part of the home screen, then go to the home screen setting. From here you can change a lot of things. For example, if you want a app drawer, you can have it from here, like home screen and app screen. If you apply, then you can have the app drawer. Like as you see, it's not bad. We have the app drawer over here, but I don't like the app drawer, so I just want home screen only. If you want, you can have the app drawer or not, and you can change the grid size 5x5, 5x6, or whatever setting you like, you can have it. You have app badge icon, quick notification panel. Just enable it, guys. It's a very awesome thing. Basically with this feature, you are on your home screen and you want to access your notification panel, just swipe down from anywhere of the screen, then the notification panel comes down. That's very nice feature. Then we have portrait mode only. That's self-explanatory. Then we have hide apps over here. With this feature you can hide your particular application or whatever application you want. And then you have themes over here. With this, basically you can customize your phone a lot. We have icons option over here. You can change the icon packs, whatever icon pack you like, you can change it from here. Then you have wallpapers. It has a lot of wallpapers, so yeah, so that's a plus point in this particular smartphone. So yeah, these are all the features, functions and hidden tips, tricks and features that I found in this particular smartphone. Did I miss something that you guys loved a lot? If I missed some awesome setting and you know them, then please let me know in the comment section below. I would love to hear it and share it with my people. So yeah, that's all in this video, guys. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, then hit that like button right now, and after that hitting like button, then subscribe to this channel if you love my content, and after subscribing, please hit that bell notification icon so you will be notified when I post new videos next time. Otherwise YouTube won't notify you. So yeah, so guys, if you want to see the full review of this smartphone, then go ahead and click on this iCard and you can go and check that video out. So guys, if you want to purchase this smartphone, if you love this smartphone and if you want to purchase it, it's a online only smartphone, and if you want to purchase it, I will leave a link in the description box below from where you can purchase it. So yeah, thank you so much for watching this video, guys. Bye bye.